Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will discuss two interview coding question which was asked in different companies, and parallelly I will discuss two SQL queries which was asked in same companies. Okay, so for your reference, I want to show the company. Okay, first company is Societe General, and second one is Hardwin Software. Okay. Society General is a company which is basically related to banking domain. Okay, so this I have attended two round out of interview. Okay, first one virtual round and second one face to face. Okay, and Hardwin Software Solution company interview was only virtual. Okay, so why I have mentioned two companies in uh, combining two companies interview coding question in one way or one go. Reason is they ask it interview question in same pattern. One is related to integer and second is related to a string. Okay, but logic is same. Okay, so first one was Society General Park. Okay, first one on virtual round. What are the question? First one, find the employee name. Start with uh, a small I or capital A and sort on the base of its name using Java 8 Stream API and take name into a single list. Okay, सो जो इंटरव्यू ले रहे थे वो बेसिकली उनको बहुत ज़्यादा एक्सपीरियंस था। मतलब देखा जाए तो 12 to 14 ईयर्स का एक्सपीरियंस था। वो काफ़ी रिलैक्स थे, काफ़ी डिबगिंग भी करवा रहे थे इस क्वेश्चन में पैरेलली, ठीक है, और लॉजिक भी वो एक्सप्लेनेशन मांग रहे थे साथ में, ठीक है। सो लेट्स सी, I will start this one. So I have one employee class and employee entity. Uh, in this class, I have mentioned different parameter or different attribute, okay, or different types of field, okay, like employee ID and name, email ID and mobile number, salary, city, gender, date of birth and department, and as well as age. Okay, for this employee class, I have created constructor. Okay, constructor is basically what? Whenever you want to create a constructor name should be similar as the name of a class name. Okay, constructor is the purpose of constructor is initialize the data members or initialize the attribute of a class. Okay, when an object is created, means जब आप जावा में एक कोई ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट करते हो किसी क्लास का, ओके, तो अगर आप डेटा मेंबर्स या एट्रीब्यूट को आप इनिशियलाइज करना चाहते हो, ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हम लोग कंस्ट्रक्टर क्रिएट करते हैं, ठीक है। एंड यहाँ देखो दिस कीवर्ड का क्यों यूज करते हैं? दिस कीवर्ड जो करंट इंस्टांसेस और करंट ऑब्जेक्ट क्रिएट होता है जावा क्लास का, जावा वर्चुअल मशीन उसको क्या करता है? ऑटोमेटिक लोड करता है, ठीक है। और फॉर दिस आई हैव क्रिएटेड getter and setter. Getter setters means you can pass the value and extract the value and retrieve the value. Using getter and setter, you can set the value. Okay, and I have overridden to a string method. So in most of the interview I have seen, first question was asked, what is the purpose of constructor, why we use setter and getter, and why we use to a string. Okay, so to a string is basically whenever you are creating Java object. Okay, if you want to represent in a string format, so you and if you want to make it uh, user friendly or simple way of representation in format of a string. Okay, that's why we are using to a string method. Okay, means simply uh, it's a representation of uh, in a string format of an object. Okay, and I have created one another class, employee database. In employee database we have pass the value, okay, like employee id, employee name, and whatever the attribute I have taken in the employee class. Okay, so let's see, I will perform the operation. First one, virtual round into Society General uh, companies. Okay, so first one is what, find the employee name, start with a, and sort on the base of their names using Java 8 Stream API and take into a single list. Okay, so create main class, take one, create the object of employee database, employee database I have created, and whatever the method inside this, what is the name of the method, get all employees, directly call in this get all employees, so it will give the list of employees. Okay, later on what we can do, use stream API. Okay, what is saying, find the employee name, start with a. Okay, so before this, create one string object, string literal object. Okay, and pass the search key. What is the search key here, a. Okay, a stream, and let me filter. Filter is the basically predicate, emp emp got get name, start with search key. Whatever we have created search key, and use the pipeline operator or operator. Okay, so why are we using, because we have two conditions, start with a small a or start with capital A. Okay, so use pipeline operator here, emp emp dot start get name and start with search key, and convert into its search key to lowercase. Okay, later on let them split, then use map function and use directly call the object uh, class, and using method get name and collect into single list collectors dot to list. Okay, collector dot to list. Later on what we need to do, we have to, one second, what is the message. Okay, later on just close with semicolon and initialize the value single, pass this is simply employee name, object name, employee name. Okay, let print it employee name. Then later on run this Java applications. Okay, so you can see we have collected a list of the employee name in a single string or in a single list. You can check the database. Akash Kumar Kushwaha start with A, Anjali Sharma which start with capital A, okay, and so on. Whatever data in my database, okay. So it printed the all result and given the all result, okay. And the second one is what? Find the maximum occurring element in a given list of integer using a core Java. Okay, using core Java. So for this Hardwin table, he has given a list of integer. एक्चुअली उन्होंने कोई आईडी नहीं दिया था, वाइट बोर्ड था, एक मार्कर दिया, उन्होंने लॉजिक लिखने के लिए बोला था, ठीक है, सिंपली कि जस्ट pick up the market and write the logical section only on the whiteboard. Okay, so I have taken list of integer, give numbers and arrays dot as list. Later on pass the integer value 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 4, 4 and 1. Okay, what was the question? Find the maximum occurring element in the given list of integer using core Java. Okay, what method just for this? First we need to iterate this. Okay, using for enhanced loop, pass the numbers. Okay, before this take one map integer, take integers, give the name map object. This one the second question. Okay, so let me comment this from there so that it will not create any confusion for you. New as map, just click this and check if map dot contains key and num value. Okay, then if contains, then put the number and call the map object, get default value, pass the num. If it will come one times, then it will count will be 1, otherwise it will increase by 1. Okay, else map dot put num, count will be remain 1. Okay, this one. So first I have created the number of list. Okay, I have taken the number of list, then I have created the map object, okay, map interface, and I have iterated the uh, all integers value, and I have count the frequency and occurrence of all integers. Okay, numbers of integers or count of integers, or you can say also frequency of integers. Check the and then later on iterate the map interface. Use map pass entry pass integer and give object name or variable name mp initialize into mp variable and iterate the map using entry set. Okay, then take int max count is equal to 0 and what we need to take one key int key is equal to initial value is equal to what 0. Check if if mp dot get value greater than max count or not, then initialize the max count value mp dot get value. Later on we need key mp dot get key values. Okay, just close with semicolon, just check. Okay, and print this out. Let me print the key. Let me run this Java applications. Okay, so you can see number of the occurrence of one integer is more than in comparison of 4 integers. Okay, so my output is what 1, you can see in the console. Okay, so these two questions asked in Society General Park. Okay, and first was a virtual round and second was face-to-face round, and second one company is Hardwin Software Solutions. Okay, so find the maximum occurring character in sentence using Java 8 Stream API. Okay, not using core Java, only using Java 8 Stream API. So what we need to do first, take main class, copy this same input value he was given. Okay, I am software developer, take a string input, then we need to convert into character stream. First call character string, then convert into map object, okay, into a stream, then take a lambda operator and typecast into character char c, then use collectors dot grouping by means group the object and it will collect into single list. Collectors dot grouping by identify the same character function dot identity and later on store into linked hash map using method difference creates object of map, then count the character or occurrence of character in a strings. Collector start counting. Collector start counting. Okay. Then what we need to do, iterate the whatever the character I have stored in a map, linked hash map. Linked hash map is basically it follow the insertion order. Okay. So entry set, then use a string API, then use map function, and map dot compare map dot entry. We need to call the comparing by value. Okay, comparing by value. Later on I have compared the value means occurrence of character or frequency of character. I have compared using comparing by value. Then later on what we need to call the map function again, and we need to print the key. Okay, so map dot entry, we need to call get key. Okay, dot call. So add function, that is crying into set map dot entry comparing by value. Then later on let's see, it's showing error here. Entry set a stream. Oh, sorry, it was max keyword. Okay, here if whatever max occurrence or max frequency of character will come, okay, through iterations, so it will only extract the max value which is occurrence the which is occurrence by the character. Okay, then use map, then after map it's called map dot entry, we need to get key. Okay, so get, then after we call the get method. Okay, initialize the result. Okay, just print this C soft. Just print this. Call this, let me run this Java applications. Output is equal to what? E. So you can see the string I am software developer. In this string the number of the number of occurrence or the frequency of a character in whatever character is present in this strings is the mode number. E is one times, is two times, is three times, and is four times. Okay, so my output is E. Let's see, move on. SQL queries. Okay, SQL queries is what? First one is rank the employees based on their salary using the rank and windows function in SQL and find the highest salary of an employee. Okay, so for this uh, so I have created one employee table, and I have taken different types of column: first name, last name, email ID, phone number, salary, city, state, nationality, and whatever the columns I have need. Okay, to perform the operations. So first one is what? Rank the employee based on their salary using the rank windows function in SQL and find highest salary of an employee. Okay, so this question is asked related to windows function. They want to know you have the idea of advanced SQL queries or not. Okay, because a Society General is a big multinational company. He has 1 million followers and more numbers of employee I have seen theirs. Okay, so what we need to do for this, you just select keyword. I need ID, first name, then I need salary. What is the column name? Salary. Okay, salary. Later on, what we need to do, we need to use rank function and over rank and over, then what we need to do, I will the rank function and over the rank we need to use the order by, order by salary, order by salary, in which order? Descending order. Okay, and give the name of alias as ranking, ranking, and close into. So I want to use subquery. Okay, for this, so for this just paste here and use select from inside this as ranking, select ID, first name, salary, rank functions over order by salary, descending as a alias name ranking. Okay, from where? From I need to from, we need to from, need to from employee. Okay, as ranked employees, where ranking is equal to what? Ranking is equal to 1. Okay, so here is the error. Select ID order by salary, descending unknown column, first name. Okay, first name, so just give here comma. Again, what is unknown column? First name, salary. Where is the mistake? Where is the mistake? Yes, inside the subquery. Okay, so you can see my employee name is Pooja. Okay, and their highest salary is 94, I think 9 lakh something. Okay, so this is the approach you can try. Okay, so I have one suggestion for you. Whenever you are doing whenever you are watching this content or lectures, please sit parallelly and do the practice. Okay, and second one is Hardwin Softwares. Find the unique department where the average salary is greater than 70,000. Okay, so select e dot, give the alias name, select from employee e dot department grouping by group by e dot department use having clause, group the object having, use average functions having e dot alias name salary, greater than what? Given threshold is 70,000. Just close this, select the, and just check average salary is the average functions average, and this call the same object, same attribute here, not object, as average salary from employee. Let's see, run this. Syntax is saying 70,000. Let's check unknown column department. Let's see run this. What is the column name proper? Where is the department? Select department average salary as average salary from employee group by department. Okay, copy the field name, just paste here, average salary from employee A. Okay, so you can see we have different department, and I have grouped the department, so it will give the unique result. Okay, there are different department: development, testing, HR, sales, marketing, whose average salary is greater than given threshold or given frequency. Okay, so thank you everyone. uh, I will meet soon in the next video. Okay, so I am planning to start a core Java from basic. Okay, basic to advanced. Okay, for more update, please subscribe my channel and please hit the like button. Okay, and whatever suggestion you want to give me, please comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.